So welcome students to my channel once again. In this video I have brought this sum for you all. So look at the sum. We have to evaluate, we have to solve this limit problem. Limit x tends to 0 under root 1 minus x cube minus under root 1 minus x whole divided by under root 1 plus x square minus under root 1 plus x. Clear? So I am starting the solution. Watch it carefully. Okay. So limit x tends to 0. Okay. 1 minus x cube 1 minus x, okay, 1 plus x square minus under root 1 plus x. Clear? No problem. So now see, limit x tends to 0, 1 minus x cube minus 1 minus x. Clear? Acha, into 1 minus x cube plus 1 minus x. Okay, it was minus, we are multiplying this with this. Okay, and in the denominator you see 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square minus 1 plus x. Okay, clear? Acha, 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square plus 1 plus x. Clear? Okay. So now in the numerator we have added this term. So since we have multiplied this term, so we have to divide also. 1 minus x cube plus under root 1 minus x. Okay. So we are multiplying the numerator and denominator by this term. Again in the denominator we have written this term extra, under root 1 plus x square plus under root 1 plus x. Means we have multiplied the denominator with this term, so we have to multiply the numerator also. 1 plus x square plus 1 plus x. Okay, so with this term we have multiplied the numerator also, the denominator also. Okay, with this term we have multiplied the denominator also, the numerator also. Clear? So now limit x tends to 0. Okay, acha, a minus b into a plus b. Okay, so it will be 1 minus x cube a square minus 1 minus x b square. A minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. Okay, then with this term 1 plus x square plus 1 plus x. Okay, now in the denominator we see a minus b into a plus b, so it will be 1 plus x square whole square under root 1 plus x square whole square a square minus 1 plus x, a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. Then with this term 1 minus x cube, 1 minus x cube plus 1 minus x. Clear? Okay. So now limit x tends to 0. Okay, so it will be 1 minus x cube 1 minus x cube minus 1 minus x. Okay, 1 minus x cube minus 1 minus x, then it is 1 plus x square plus 1 plus x. Okay, now in the again here it will be 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square minus 1 plus x. Okay, then 1 minus x cube plus 1 minus x. Okay, so it will be limit x tends to 0, 1 minus x cube minus 1 plus x, 1 plus x square plus 1 plus x. Okay, 1 plus x square minus 1 minus x. Okay, then 1 minus x cube plus 1 minus x. So minus 1 plus 1 will cancel each other. Here also minus 1 plus 1 cancel each other. Okay, so it will be limit x tends to 0. I can write this x minus x cube, x minus x cube, right? X minus x cube, then 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square plus under root 1 plus x plus under root 1 plus x. Okay, here x square minus 1 x x square minus x, one minus x cube, 1 minus x cube plus under root 1 minus x. Okay, okay, so limit x tends to 0, x I can take common, 1 minus x square. Okay, x common, 1 minus x square. Okay, okay, so now 1 plus x square plus 1 plus x. Here I can take x common, x into x minus 1. Okay, under root 1 minus x cube, 1 minus x cube plus 1 minus x, 1 minus x. Okay, so now x will cancel each other. Okay, so it will be limit x tends to 0, 1 minus x square, 1 minus x square, 1 plus x square plus 1 plus x. Okay, x minus 1. X minus 1, 1 minus x cube plus 1 minus x. Okay, now we'll simply replace x by 0. Okay, 1 minus 0 square is 0. Okay, 1 plus 0 square is 0. 1 plus 0. Okay, Acha, here 0 minus 1, 0 minus 1, okay. Acha, 1 plus 0, 1, sorry, 1 minus 0, 0 cube is 0, 1 minus 0, okay, plus 1 minus 0, simple, okay. So 1 minus 0 is 1, 1 into root 1 plus root 1, okay. Here minus 1, 0 minus 1 is minus 1, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, okay. So this 1 plus 1 and 1 plus 1 will cancel each other, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1. So 1 by minus 1 is equal to minus 1. So this is the answer. Minus 1 is the answer. Clear? Thank you.